Hey you guys, welcome to Janae's Journey. You tuned into the right place if you want to see things about hair and beauty every week. So this is the fourth part to my hair growth series and we're doing rice water. Okay, so I've been doing this for 3 weeks and this will be my fourth week doing this. So what I've been doing is I've been soaking about 1.5 to 2 cups of rice in water for about 2 days. So the last week that I did this, I actually let it soak for 3 weeks and it actually smelled like mildew. So I did still use it on my hair, but I would suggest just doing 1 or 2 days. So I just want to show you guys what I've been doing in case you guys want to try this to grow a couple more inches. So I have this bowl. It could be any size bowl. If you can see, this dark layer right here is the rice, more water than rice. So this has been soaking for 2 days. It has like this filmy look. I can't really show it to you guys, but it has like this dark filmy look and it does not smell good. But this is supposed to make your hair grow and it's supposed to make your hair shine as well. I heard you can also use it on your skin, but I've been only doing it on my hair. So what I've been doing is letting this soak and then just pouring it into a cup. So we're gonna just pour. Should be try to get like a full cup. So this is pretty much like a full cup of rice water. So the next thing I do from here is I actually just lay my head over and let it go on my scalp. And it is really cold. I don't know why it's so cold, but it's been like freezing cold, so just beware of that. But yeah, we're gonna just pour this over our hair, let it sit for about 20 minutes and rinse it out. So here we go. Okay, so I just completely used the full cup of rice water and now I'm gonna just put a shower cap or a plastic bag over my hair for about 20 minutes. All right, you guys, so yeah, that's what I've been doing for, this will be the 4th week in a row, the 4th wash day in a row that I did this. So I will measure my hair to let you guys know if I grew any inches. If you want to know how long my hair has grown through this series so far, go ahead and check out the rest of the growth series. There's 3 other videos. Yeah, just stay tuned and I'll show you guys my inches in just a moment after I rinse it out. Hey you guys, so it's a week later after I rinsed the rice water out. I wanted to wait a week before I measure my hair because I wanted the rice water to be able to do whatever it's gonna do. So it's a week later, so that completely completes the rice water month. So let's see how many inches I got. I have my handy dandy tape measure. My hair is freshly co-washed. It is detangled. Hey grandmother.
Hey sweetie, how you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Okay.
Alright, so the back is, oh you guys can't really see because of the light. Back is 9.5 inches. I don't remember, I've been doing this growth series for so long, it feels like. I don't even remember how many inches I last had, but I will let you guys know down in the description box. But so right now, the back is 9.5 inches, okay? So we're gonna do the side. Wow, the side is 10 inches. Oh my gosh. Did this rice water really just hook me up like that? Wow, okay, so yeah, the side is 10 inches. Wow, that's super exciting. And we're gonna do the front. And I think this was like 8 inches or 8.5 inches last time. I'm not sure, but let's see. Oh my goodness. It is 9 inches. This rice water really worked. Like, wow, and I only did it once a week. But wow, it really worked. Okay, let's try this other side too. Wow, I'm excited. Okay, 8.5 inches. Okay. Do this side. Wow. Wow, this side was like 10 inches. Oh my goodness. I am really growing some inches. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, and this front part is almost 10 inches. Wow, you guys. Wow. Okay, this rice water worked. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna definitely continue to do this. Probably at least twice a month. I'm gonna put it in my regimen. You guys absolutely need to try this. Like, absolutely. Let the water sit for like 24 to 48 hours. Just pour that rice water over your hair. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. You guys, y'all hair gonna grow. Okay, you guys, so this is the last part to my growth series. I know it took a while, but it was worth it. Like, my hair really grew. I'm gonna continue to try different supplements and different things to grow my hair, but this is the sum up of my growth series. So yay. If you guys haven't seen the first 3 parts of the growth series, make sure you go do that. They will be tagged below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you put that down below in the comment section. And also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell so you can get notified when I post videos every week. Alright, you guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Again, don't forget to hit that. Alright, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.